For this project, the first part of the process consisted in designing a piece that would have all of the sections that we needed. We needed grooving parts, we needed to use right and left tools for both finishing and roughing, parting off. Then the dimensions were added as part of the delivery. Then the EdgeCam program was used to generate the sequence that would go in the lathe machine, and each of the operations is defined with the right tools. The tool store was the CIMA tool store, and there we can see all of the operations that were made. Then we simulated the process just to make sure that it would work correctly with the actual lathe. We went through the facing operation, roughing, then finishing of the whole piece. Roughing, finishing with the left tool, then some grooving, then the V-shaped grooving, and the use of the left tool again for the finishing, for that finishing part, and finally the parting off. The CNC code would be generated by EdgeCam, and after that some modifications were done due to using a different lathe. Modifications on the tool number. Finally, the lathe was put in operation, and this is the final piece as a result.